Welcome back. Guess what night it is? Chicken night. And today we are doing some chicken thighs in the oven as always, because that's the healthier way, of course. We're going to be doing some garlic Parmesan wings today, y'all. But first, of course, go ahead and run that hot water. Get you some slices of lemon. And let's go ahead and clean our chicken. We're just gonna pat our chicken dry with some of those paper towels. Make sure you get them nice and dry. We're just placing these chicken thighs in a pan, and we're just gonna be drizzling them with a little bit of oil, about a tablespoon, and make sure you coat them on both sides. Get on up in there. That oil is gonna give our chicken that nice crispiness once it gets in the oven from baking. All right, y'all, time to season these bad boys. So, of course, I will leave the description box below all the seasonings that I use, but we're just mixing and rubbing. Make sure you get the back side, the front side, the inside up under that skin. Rub that seasoning in nice and good, y'all. Go ahead and hit that front side. Don't be afraid of the seasoning, y'all. We need that flavor when it comes to our chicken. The more seasoning, the better, you know? And once you got your chicken nice and seasoning, we're just going to be adding a few slices of that Kerrygold garlic and herb butter, a little bit of Parmesan, since this is garlic Parmesan chicken thighs today. We're going to be placing this in our 420-degree oven for about 40 minutes. While our chicken is cooking, let's get on to this garlic Parmesan sauce. So we are taking half of a stick of butter, just melting that up. We're going to be taking about a couple teaspoons of garlic paste, just a little bit of garlic powder, of course the favorite, the parsley. We're going to be adding some grated Parmesan cheese, and we'll be adding some Italian cheeses. And we're just gonna let that simmer on low for a few minutes. And that cheese is going to start clumping up a little bit. That butter is melting, causing everything to stick together. It's gonna be good, y'all. Don't worry about it. It should look something like this. And look at them beautiful chicken thighs. Nice and brown and crispy. We're just gonna get ready to add our chicken thighs into our metal bowl. That way we can add our sauce to it and it won't interfere with those chicken juices. But if you want to, of course, you can pour off the chicken juice and just leave the chicken thighs within the pan, but I'm doing it this way. So y'all take that garlic Parmesan sauce and get to saucing on top of them chicken thighs. Ooh. Yeah, I love garlic Parmesan wings. The chicken thighs too. It's just as good. Add some more cheese on there, lots and lots of cheese, more parsley for decoration. Some grated Parmesan cheese. Y'all, it's all about the cheese today. We are seriously trying to create garlic parmesan. And give them a nice little toss in that sauce. And that's about it, y'all. Of course, I'm gonna just be extra and keep adding cheese, because why not? Wasn't nothing but a little bit left anyway. But y'all, that's pretty much it for this recipe. It's super simple, super easy. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your family and friends. And I will see you guys next time on another episode of MK the Queen. Hashtag MK's Kitchen. Y'all, it's time to eat. I'm probably going to eat all of them by myself. Cause why not? Why not? Bye, y'all. Bye.